Good morning, boys and girls. Today is our first day for our initial blends with short vowels, sort number 54. So for us to get started, we need to fold our paper. We take and fold our paper the long way in half. Then we fold the paper one more time, the long way in half. Make your folds nice and tight. Then we fold it in half again. Make it nice and tight. And then we fold it in half one more time. And one more time. This is the last time. Remember, it has to have 4 little lines. Alrighty. And we make it nice and tight. I like to bang on it a little bit just to make sure it's really tight. When you're done, you open up your paper, and wherever we folded the paper, there's lines. There are lines. So I need you to go ahead and pause the video here and trace these lines. You can see where they are. You have to bend it a little bit to see them. All right. When you folded them, trace them, come back. I already did mine. Now that we have our paper, we know that the top row where there's no lines, that's where we write our header. On the other ones where there are lines, those are the words that we write down here. And we have 3 headers this time. We're doing the L blend. Since I have 3 headers, I'm not going to use this one with the hole in it. So I have an L blend. I have an R blend. And I have an S blend. So these 3 blends, what that means is I will have a letter that goes together with the L and makes one sound. For example, if I have clip, I have a letter, a consonant, and an L, and they both together make the cl, or the bl, or gl, or fl. So it's always one consonant, and the L together make a pl kind of a sound. So we're going to write some down. So my L blends are words like clip or plug. Do you hear the L? Plug. I also have flag. And I have the word bled. He bled all over the carpet. He needs a Band-Aid. Bled. I also have the word glum. Remember, the G goes below the line. Glum. And we have the word slip. So my L blends are letters like the C with the L that make one sound together. The P and the L, the F and the L, the B and the L, G and the L, S and the L. They go together and the L kind of just hangs on. It's like a cool buddy. In my R blends, it's the same. The letter R is kind of bossy, so it sounds the longest. So if I say brag, you more or less hear the R. So brag. You don't really hear the B that much. The R is more the bossy R. Then I have grip. Grip. You hear how the R is kind of long? Grip. And then I have the word crib. Crib. Like a baby lays in the crib. Drill. Drill. Frog. You hear that? Frog. The one that you hear the most is the R. But there's a letter before it and it goes together with it. And that's kind of like the bossy friend that always does the talking. Frog. Prop. Prop. What about the word trim? Trim. Trim. This is kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can put some shade on there. Trim. And then I have the word scan. Now I want you to see these two, the L blend and the R blend, those letters come second, right? So here my L's are the second letter. The R, it's the second letter. You just hear them more. But my S blend is a little different because it comes first. So if I have the word scan, the S and the C make the sk sound together, but I can hear the scan. And I have the word skit. See, the S comes first. Skit. What about the word smell? The sm. But the S always comes first. Smell. Or the word snap. I love that word. Whoops. Snap. And then there is the word swish. Swish. Swish the broom around. Swish. So I have the blend sw and I have the digraph sh. Swish. Stop. Stop. And snug. Snug. And my last word is the word slam. I'm going to have to hold my paper down. Slam. So these are my words. Remember, when you are seeing these words, I need you to remember that an L and R blend make a lot of noise, even though they're second in place. The S makes a lot of noise, but it comes first. Pause the video here and make sure that you have all your words written down. See you next time. Make sure you cut them out and post them on Class Dojo. Bye.